Hello, it is me, and I'm here with a quick little solo episode for you guys. So today I want to talk about and introduce something I'm very excited about, which is a challenge for the month of April. Now, at the end of March, I think it's March 28th, is Earth Hour. Excuse me. For those of you that don't know what Earth Hour is basically an hour between 8:30 and 9:30, I think, at night, where everyone switches their lights off for an hour. Now, it's really cool, a very cool idea for everybody to switch off their lights for an hour. But it's only once a year. And honestly, 1 hour out of the entire year is not really going to make any difference. So that's why I came up with the idea of the Lights Out Challenge. And this is basically going to be a challenge that we are going to run for the whole month of April. And every evening, or whenever you can during your day, so preferably in the evening, because that's when you use your lights, right? Is to switch your lights off for 1 hour. So maybe that's when you're eating dinner, maybe that's before you go to bed or something. Switch off your lights for an hour for every single day in April. So for 30 days, we'll be switching off our lights for an hour, and this will be in honor of Earth Hour in March, but also of Earth Day, which is on April 22nd. And I feel like this is going to be a really cool challenge because they say that it takes, I think, 30 days to develop a new habit or something. So if we do this for 30 days, it'll be really interesting to see. Maybe it becomes a new habit. Maybe we continue to switch off our lights for an hour every evening. And I think the really cool thing about this is that, lights, our electricity impacts not just the planet, but also our health. So I think I personally will probably be switching my lights off an hour before bed because lights and blue light coming off of screens and stuff have effects on our sleep patterns. So they actually say that by switching your lights out or not looking at screen like an hour before bed can help you get a better sleep. So throughout this challenge, we're going to be chatting about all kinds of different things. I'm going to have a weekly blog post on a different aspect of electricity and fossil fuels, its impacts on us and the planet. We're going to look at renewable energy and the different amazing things happening and the new technologies being created. And we will also have exciting podcast episodes with some interesting guests, chatting about renewable energy, chatting about off-grid living, and we'll be learning, ways that we can, even once the challenge is ended, maybe we continue, switching off our lights for an hour, or maybe we find other ways to kind of lessen the amount of light or electricity that we're using. Maybe we find ways to switch to solar, even though, solar can be expensive, and it is expensive, but, if you have the money, go ahead, go solar. I would love to go solar. It is actually something that we are working on slowly to get my family living off the grid, which will be amazing. But again, always start small and start with what you can do. So that's why we're taking this challenge. It's just an hour every evening, switching off your lights. And we're going to see where it goes, and we're going to have a great time. So please join me for this challenge. We have a Facebook group that you can join where we'll have all the stuff going up, and you can join in on conversations. Let us know how you're feeling, how it's going for you. Are you enjoying it? Do you find it really hard? I mean, I do kind of already switch off my lights before I go to bed, and I just love to read by candlelight. It's honestly the best thing. Or even like, we already have so much load shedding here that we might as well, get used to it and just switch off our lights, and maybe we'll have less load shedding then because we'll be saving electricity. Who knows? But either way, you can join our Facebook group. You can also sign up to take the challenge, which will then automatically add you to the Facebook group. All the links will be down below. So please click away on those links, sign up, join us, because it's going to be an awesome, awesome time. I will see you guys all in the challenge, and I cannot wait.